Hello guys, welcome to this live stream. So in this live stream, I will basically talk about a desktop application that I developed inside Vue.js, which is specifically a Canva clone, video and image, GIF and PDF editor. So it's a desktop application you will see on your screen right here. We developed in Vue.js and it is actually making use of FFMPEG library. And we have also used the Sharp library. Sharp is basically a package inside Node.js to actually make image editor applications. So this is, I will show you all the functionalities of this desktop application. So you will basically see on your screen right here. This is the actual desktop application. When you launch it, I will basically provide the full source code. The link is given in the description. You can directly purchase it. After purchasing it, you will actually get a zip file and you just need to extract this to get this directory structure. And the setup file for the desktop app will be located in the dist folder. This is the actual setup file. You just need to run the setup and you will be able to install this desktop application on side your machine. So simply launch this setup and it will simply click next to install this software, and as it installed, it will look something like this. It will launch like this, and now you need to simply add some files here. So you can basically add some files here. So you will see live preview as you add images. So it supports all the extensions. You will see it is showing tiny, JPG, PNG, all the extensions of image files is supported. And you can basically click on the left hand side. You will see as I click on this, if you want to compress it, you can click this option. If you want to convert this image to JPEG, PNG, or WebP format, or GIF format, or icon, so you can individually click this option. So let's suppose I want to compress this, so I will simply click this option. So and click, you need to select this option first of all, and there is basically this start option. So as you start this, you will basically get this notification that the task is completed, and you will see the image has been successfully compressed from 294 kilobytes to 128. And if I want to open this path, you will basically see this is actually, it is reduced from 294 kilobytes to, it's the same image which has been reduced. You will see that. So this is the first functionality. If you want to convert this into PNG, again you need to, you can even live preview the image as well, like this. If you want to delete this, you can simply delete this. You can even add multiple images like this. If you want to add multiple images, you can even add multiple images. Just do bulk processing at one time. You will see live preview. Just, you can see that you can even rotate it like this. You can make it as full screen, zoom in, zoom out. All these functionalities are there. So then if you want to now convert all these images to PNG, so what you will see, simply click start. So you will see all these images will be converted to PNG, and you can see that. So output is located in the same directory where your input file resides. So you will basically say it will create all these PNG images. These are the output images that it creates. So now you can delete them, like using the dustbin icon. And then we have also, all these formats are there. AV. So if you select JPG, if you want to convert this into TIFF, so now you can see your image has been converted. If you see, So then we have another, you can see you can set options right here. Global options are also available. It's a complete Canva clone or Photoshop desktop free application that I developed, guys. It supports all the options that you see in a paid software. It's a very complex software. You will see all these options you can perform. You can set your output directory. Let's suppose I want to set my output directory inside this auto hotkey. You can change the output directory where your output images will be stored. Right here, you can change the output directory. You can even append file names. You can add some file name or overwrite output file name. After processing, what you need to do, you need to delete the source file. It will be fast, or move source file to trash, or do nothing. So I just want to say, after processing it, delete the source file, input file, or do nothing. I will process multiple images simultaneously. You can even do concurrent processing. So if you want to do concurrent, you can just process 8 multiple images concurrently. So you can even do that also using this slider if you want to do concurrent processing. Then we have timeout, processing timeout for each image, and all these options are available. Let's suppose I want to enable watermark. So I will show you the text watermark first of all, and let me put a text watermark. You will see live preview right here. You can increase the font size, and you can even provide a stroke color, which is, we change the color here using color picker. Click on OK, and now you will see this is the actual watermark which is there. Click on OK. If you want to apply this watermark, you can select the position here. If you want to just put in the center position, all these positions supported, or you want repeated position. Let me put this watermark in the center position. And opacity you can even control. You can rotate this as well. So let me rotate it at 45 degree. Click on OK. So now all images that you will select right here, uh, let me select image here, this image, and I want to say auto. Select auto here and click on start. So okay, yeah, there is one option right here. Let me delete this. Let me launch this application once again. So it will launch something like this as you launch this application. So it will be installed when if you don't change the directory, it will be installed in the C drive, and there will be this exe file will be there. So it will be launched like this, and here you can select, I have selected the output folder like this, and watermark we selected in the center position. And if you just add your input image, so we set the global options to be like this. We enable the watermark, and now if I click start, so task is completed. And if I open my output directory that I, which was auto hotkey, and you will basically see, if I open this, you will see that watermark that I showed you is successfully added. You will see that this is actual watermark. It is rotated, and you will basically see, if you want to increase the size of the watermark, just go to the global options, and here just go to your just increase the font size, just make it bigger. You can do it like this. Click on start. So you will now see the watermark is slightly bigger. We changed the font size, you will see that. So you can even delete all these files. You can even basically repeat this as well in repeated fashion. So watermark will be repeated. Just select repeat, and again you do the same process. Click on start. So now you can see that. So basically the watermark will be repeated. You can just style it guys accordingly. The options are supported. Uh, it's a very complex software that I'm giving you guys. The link is given. You can directly purchase it, and with this software installed on your machine, you don't need third-party websites visit, and many third-party websites take a long time to actually upload images. So this software will make things very easy for you, because all the functionalities are available in one software only, and the price is also good. The link is given. You can directly purchase it. You will get the exe file alongside with the full source code. It is developed inside Vue.js, and we have used FFMPEG library and all these packages. So now we can even convert these into icons as well. You can basically include icons 16 by 16, 24 by 24, 32 by 32. So if you want to enable this also, you can also do that. If you want to just increase, just convert this into icons. You can crop this image or rotate this image as well. You can compress the image, JPG quality, PNG quality. You can adjust from here like this, and also here AVIs. So these are the global options that you have right here. If you want to make a transparent image, you can just do this like this. And then we have this option crop and rotate. So if you want to crop your image guys, how we can do that? We can basically crop any section of the image, like suppose using this slider that we have, mouse slider. So if you want to crop this portion, simply click on save, and you can basically select the location where you need to save this image. So I will simply save this at this location. So you will see the file has been successfully saved. The image is cropped and it is successfully saved at that location. So this is the cropping functionality. You can do this easily using this freehand, or you can select aspect ratio as well, 16 by 9, 4 by 3, 3 by 2, and this is the full image cropper which is built in. You can even have grid like structure, flip this image horizontally, vertically, all this stuff you can do, perform. So it's a very good software guys. The link is given. You can directly purchase it. And then if I show you, there is also filter tools also available. If you want to apply filters to your images, you can even do that as well. So pre-made filters are there. So if you want to apply a filter here, any filter, so you can see that on the left hand side it will show you the live preview after you apply this filter. So nice filters are there. You will see that you can blur your image, all this stuff you can, a list of filters are there. So all these filters are available in Photoshop, Canva guys, in third-party websites, but it is available in this awesome desktop app that I developed in Vue.js using FFmpeg and Sharp library, Sharp package. So Sharp is basically an open source Node.js package for image processing. We are using these two libraries in conjunction to basically build this awesome desktop application. So if you want to apply this, click on add. So now this filter is applied. You can even apply multiple filters as well. Click and add. So two filters have been applied. So after you do this, you can save this image. simply click save, and again you need to select the location where you need to save it. You can see the image is successfully saved with those filters, and we have this tool also available. You can also do batch processing as well. You can select multiple images and you can apply filters to them. So you can close this, and let me show you one more. These are various tools out there. You can join images, multiple images, horizontally, vertically. You can basically open multiple images right here. If you want to join these images, two images, you can join this. You can need to select the direction in horizontal direction or vertical directions. Let me select horizontal direction, click on join. Just select your images. You can split or join. All these things you can do. You can select the format as well, WebP format. This is the join, and you can have also animated things as well, guys. If you want to create a GIF animations from multiple images, so let's suppose you need to here select your images. So let me select multiple images here. Each image will take, I think you can see we have 7 images selected. Each image, you can say each image takes 1 second. You can just change the duration. You can even provide your custom duration for each image to appear in the GIF animation. So I will just change this to 1 second for every frame. So with the help of this, you can just also create GIF animations right here with this desktop application. You don't need to go anywhere. So you can see all these things you can perform right here. And then after doing this, you can play your GIF animation. Each image will appear for 1 second in the GIF animation. And then you can now export this to a WebP image, or you can export this into GIF. So simply click GIF and just save it. So it is parsing the frames, and after that encoding it. So now save is successful. So it has created a GIF animation. If you try to open, each image will appear here for 1 second and your GIF file is ready. So it has been made from multiple images. So right here from this desktop app, you can even export this into a WebP format as well. WebP format actually runs in the browser. It doesn't run in the, so you can even export that into a WebP format as well. So now it works in the browser. So you can see that. So if you're liking the content, guys, please hit that like button, subscribe the channel as well. This is the actual app that I'm showing you. If you are interested, the link is given in the description. And lastly, I will show you PDF tool also there. If you want to extract images from PDF, there is this icon tool also available. You can basically convert your images to icons. If you select, then we have the PDF tool also available. You need to select your source images. Let me select all these 4 images to be inserted in the PDF document. So I can simply click export, and then I can export this into a PDF file. So now if I open, this will be the PDF file which will contain all these 4 images. So the PDF file has been created successfully, and we can even extract images from a PDF document. You can just need to upload your PDF document. Just select, let me select this, click on extract. You need to provide the output directory. So right inside select folder, click on extract. So your images will be extracted. Let me show you. This will be the folder created, and all the 3 images will be successfully extracted and showed you. This is a PDF tool as well, PDF editor right here in this built in inside this editor. So if you are interested, guys, I've showed you almost all the functionalities, but still I think it's a complex tool. Some of the functionalities I failed to show you, but you can try out on your own. So it's a pretty good Canva clone and Photoshop clone that I showed you, that I built inside Vue.js. If you are interested, the link is given. You will actually get full source code and a setup file that you can run. And this is actual source code, and if I show you the package.json file, we are using Sharp library, if you see, which is a package in Node.js for image processing. We are also using FFMPEG as well for this. So if you're interested, guys, thank you very much for watching this video. The link is given for purchase. So I will be seeing you in the next video.